start with oceanography. I said that around 4.6 billion years ago, around 4.6 billion years ago, our Earth came into existence. How many years ago? 4.6 billion years ago, our Earth came into existence. And at that time, everywhere it was in a magma kind of molten kind of molten type of thing. And everywhere volcanic eruption was taking place. Everywhere volcanic eruption. Everywhere. बता दिया करो वहां खड़े रह रहे हो. So I said that Earth came into existence how many years ago? 4.6 billion years ago. And it means 1 billion में 1000 million होता है, so it means 4600 million years ago. And at that time, everywhere there is a volcanic eruption was taking place. Understood? Everywhere volcanic eruption. It means it was a kind of molten. Yes or no? From the outside it was in a kind of what? Molten. And in this volcanic eruption, there is a water vapor. What is there? Water vapor, carbon dioxides, and then there is a coming of what is a sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, and different gases are coming out. Okay, through the volcanic eruptions and other different gases. And this water vapor was causing what I said, that cloud condensation, cloud में convert होते थे, and they are causing what? Rainfall. And this rainfall, this kind of rainfall took place for 700 million years. How many years? Clear? होता रहा. And slowly upper layer get what? Solidified. Slowly वो पानी के साथ पानी गिरता है, evaporate, and slowly upper layer of the earth, upper layer of earth, that is crust, formed as through, I said solidification, as through clear? It has been formed, upper layer of earth, that is crust, formed as through solidification. Understood? So when they solidified, during their solidification, some of the layer get what? Depressed, and some are in uplifted form. Some of the layer are what? Depressed, and some of the layer are what? Uplifted form. Understood? And in the depressed zone, rain water get accumulated and all it became what? Ocean, and uplifted part become what? Continent. Understood? What we got? Depressed one become what? Ocean, and uplifted part become what? Continent. So the after solidification, what is there? Uplifted, and uplifted one become what? Continent, and depressed one become ocean. Clear? Now अब मैं इसके पास आऊँ, इसको और अच्छे से देखूँ. Why it is depressed? कभी भी आप देखे होंगे कोई चीज़ सूखता है तो उसमें क्या हो जाते हैं? Wrinkles पड़ जाते हैं. When they solidified, there is a wrinkles kind of it. Shall I remove? लेकिन wrinkles इतने बड़े बड़े तो नहीं बनेंगे. I said that if we'll go interior of the earth, नीचे shallow depth of earth में क्या मिलेगा? सिलिका मिलेगा या आयरन विल बी मोर? सैलो में क्या रहेगा? सिलिका. सबको पता है. इफ आई हैव एन व्हाट? कंटेनर, और कंटेनर में क्या होगा? सिलिका एंड आयरन पार्टिकल्स. और कंटेनर को मैंने यदि सेक किया तो हु विल गो डाउन? आयरन. So the heavier one always go down and the lighter one always be on the top. तो अर्थ में जैसे जैसे नीचे जाएंगे तो which metal will be more? Iron. And upper part of the earth surface will have what? Lighter metals. Yes or not? The more of silica upper and less. तो यहाँ पे if I say that ये rock यदि है, ये molten form में है, तो इसमें ज़्यादा क्या होगा? यदि shallow depth में तो silica will be more than iron magnesium. And as we go deeper, so यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Iron magnesium will be more than silica. As we will go deeper, which one will be more? Tell me. Iron and magnesium. And at the shallow depth, silica. Understood? And this is known as what? Granitic magma. And this is known as what? Basaltic magma. Clear? So the basaltic magmas are forming at what? कहाँ पे बनता है? They are forming at deeper depth. Understood? आयरन मॉल्टन फॉर्म में कैसा होता है? टेल मी, आयरन मॉल्टन फॉर्म में कैसा होता है? इट इज इन व्हिच फॉर्म? लिक्विड. सो ये कैसा होगा? लिक्विड. बेसाल्टिक मैग्मा मोर ऑफ आयरन मैग्नीशियम, लेस ऑफ सिलिका. और सिलिका इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट? पेस्ट. सूजी का जैसे हलवा होता है. तो ये कैसा होगा? लिक्विड. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? यदि टेक्निकल टर्म में बोले, लेस viscous. The liquid can easily flow, and the thing which can easily flow, it is known as what? Less viscous. The thing which can easily flow, it is known as what? Less viscous. Understood? Yes or not? और पानी वाली चीज इजिली तोड़कर बाहर आ जाता है. Yes or not? It is coming from the deeper depth. ये तोड़ सकता है यदि इसकी टेम्परेचर क्या हो? बहुत ज्यादा हो, हॉटस्पॉट जैसा. बट दिस ग्रेनाइटिक मैग्मा इट इज ऑफ मोर ऑफ व्हाट? पेस्ट जैसा होगा. सिलिका परसेंटेज इज मोर. व्हेन द सिलिका परसेंटेज इज मोर, देन इट विल बी मोर ऑफ पेस्ट. तो इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? हाईली विस्कस. आप सूजी का हलवे में कैसा दिखता है? हाईली विस्कस पेस्ट. और नीचे से हीट देते हैं तो वो कढ़ाई से बाहर आके गिर जाता है या कढ़ाई में रहता है? विद इन द पैन फ्राइंग. सो विद इन द पैन. एंड देन और वो क्या करता है? उसकी इंटरमोलिकुलर बॉन्डिंग क्या होती है? बहुत. सो ये ऐसे एक्सप्लोजन क्या करता है? इट कॉजेज व्हाट? एक्सप्लोसिव वोल्केनिक इरप्शन. सो इट विल कम अप. यदि आएगा भी तो थ्रू द वोल्केनिक इरप्शन, और उसमें से 95% विल बी और 97% विल बी रिमेन विद इन द, एंड ओनली 2 to 3% विल कम विद द एक्सप्लोजन. विद व्हाट? सो वर्ल्ड में जो भी एक्सप्लोसिव वोल्केनिक इरप्शन, विच आर द एक्सप्लोसिव वोल्केनिक इरप्शन? दे विल बी व्हाट? ग्रेनाइटिक मैग्मा. दे आर फॉर्मिंग एट shallow depth. Clear? And wherever there is what magmas are forming at what? Deeper depth, they will have what? Basaltic magma, and it can easily come up. Understood? But which magma is denser? आयरन और मैग्नीशियम, आयरन डेंसिटी ज्यादा होती है, वेरी हैवी. और ये क्या होगा? लेस डेंसिटी. Understood? So the granitic magma will be what? Tell me. Less dense. And then basaltic magma will be highly dense. Yes or not? Is it okay? ये आइडिया हो चुका. If we'll see, अब ये मुझे बताओ, ये जो ऊपर कुछ हो गया और जो नीचे कुछ रह गया और कुछ ऊपर बन गया, ये कॉन्टिनेंट बना और ये ओशियन बना. यस, समथिंग इज अपलिफ्टेड एंड समथिंग इज व्हाट? डिप्रेस्ड. तो ये बेसाल्टिक मैग्मा का होगा या ग्रेनाइटिक मैग्मा का होगा? या denser thing try to go down, and then after the solidification it become what? Basaltic magma का रहेगा तो it will become basaltic rock. So the ocean floor is made up of what? And जो हल्का होगा वो थोड़ा सा फुला हुआ रहेगा. And then uplifted one, it is made up of what? So the continents are made up of, and then magma solidified हो चुका है. So I said that continents are made up of granitic rock, and yes, tell me, ocean is made up of basaltic rock. Is it okay? अब समझ में आ गया why there is a depressed and why there is an uplifted? So ध्यान से, I said around 4600 million years ago our earth came into existence. Is it okay? What came into existence? Earth. And all around there was a volcanic eruption was taking place, full of magma. and through the volcanic eruption what is taking place? Gases are coming out, water vapor gases, carbon oxides, sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, hydrogen sulfides, so many gases are which are coming into the atmosphere. Understood? Thereafter what happened? And this water vapor get condensed into cloud and they keep on continuously rainfall, and through the rainfall in the 700 million years, from the 4600 million years, say 700 million years means I said 3900 million years or 3.9 billion years ago, we got some depressed part as an oceanic plate and some uplifted part as an what? Continental plate. And oceanic part was made up of basaltic rock. Since it was made up of basaltic magma and basaltic magma is heavier, therefore this region has been get depressed, and then and granitic rock is in a what is comparatively denser, they found to be what is in a comparatively uplifted, and then uplifted part became what? Continent. So 3.9 billion years ago what we got? Ocean and continents. Understood? Clear? Clear? लेकिन आज हम ये भी समझेंगे कि हमारे पास ओशियन फ्लोर यदि हम उसकी एज जाके देखें तो उसकी हार्डली 200 मिलियन ईयर ओल्ड. हार्डली हाउ मेनी ईयर ओल्ड? केवल 200 मिलियन ईयर्स ओल्ड है. और उसको आपको समझना है वाई दे हैव, जबकि बना कितने पहले है. इसका मतलब पुराना ओशियन प्लेट मस्ट बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. यस और नॉट, वो देखेंगे. बट ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड एंड अराउंड 1000 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो, साथ में जोड़ रहे हैं हम, अराउंड 1000 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो some unicellular organism and some multicellular organism slowly and slowly coming into existence. Yes or not? And through the respiration process, oxygen तो है नहीं यहाँ पर, through the respiration process what happened? That is in a photosynthesis, they started absorbing carbon dioxide and then releasing what? Oxygen. And slowly the atmosphere is becoming what? Oxygen, and by the some bacteria it is a nitrogen, and other gases come into existence. तो एक्चुअली में किसने दिया? वोल्केनिक इरप्शन ने. और इसी समय प्लेट में मूवमेंट हो रहा था, टेक्टो वोल्केनिक एक्टिविटी, and along with some what biological process we got in our atmosphere, we got different gases like nitrogen, oxygen in different percentage in the Earth's atmosphere.